Oh hey, hello guys. So today in this video I'm going to tell you basic command in Linux. So first let's go and open your terminals. So first we have here I'm in my terminal. So you can see I'm inside of this td folder. So our first command is a pwd. So this is like a kind of a print working directory. So when I press enter, so you can see I'm just inside the home and inside the cheetah, inside the td. So that's will do the pwd. So the pwd is the print the working directory, right? That's why it's called pwd. So our next command is a ls. So when I type ls, you can see they have no result in here because they have no folder inside of the td. So I will quickly make a folder SB and also device. So now I am press ls command. So you can see which file available inside of this td. So ls command will do that. So we can use the option. They have an option in this command. So we can use lsl. So if I use like that, so they have a lot of details inside the details about this folder. When I'm which time and also when I'm creating this folder. So I just create these two same time. So they have a see, you can see here same time. So you can see the read, write and execute, read, write and execute likewise. So this is so that is the first option. Now they have other option. I'm just type A. So you can see here they have not lot of details, but they have other two folders. And so it will show you the hide directory. When you hide a file, so it will show here. So let's go to our next command, which is a cd. So they have two directories right now, right? But I want to open this sd directory. So I'm just using cd sd. So change directory sd. So now I am in the sd directory. So I can see the print working directory. So you can see here home, cheetah, td and sd. So that's the difference between a cd. So that's the command we can use cd. So what happened? I need to create a directory inside of this td, right? They have two directories. So I just create one directory using a name called m. So just type mkdir. I'm just making directory name as n. So now I check which available inside of this td. So you can see they have our n directory, right? That is mkdir. That's what do mkdir. Like a Windows, when we are creating a new folder, it's a Linux when you are creating a new directory. Yeah. Now what happened? I want to remove this directories. So I just remove this directory using remove dir and I just use n. So they have no n directory is here right now. So you can see they have no n directory in here. So that's the our fifth command. So now we are going to our sixth command. So in this command, I just want to copy the file to others. So yeah, I'm just create a file inside of this td directory. So I just use nano. Just type anything and just save. So now they have three files. One is a test document and other two are directories. So I just want to copy this cheetah txt file to inside of this sd. So I just use the command as cp and our test file, which file we want to copy, and also our directory name. So directory name is a sd, right? So I just press enter. So ls, you can see here it will available in here. So now I am going to the directory as sd. So they have our test file also. So copy successful. So right now I want to move this cheetah file to ty. So we are going to use the command as mv, right? mv, and also we are going to use cheetah txt, right? And they have a name inside of this ty. I just give a name as g.txt. So I just press enter. So I ls, they have no cheetah available in here. So if I go to our TY, so you can see they have a GTSP, which is we also changed the file name. So I just I don't want to change the file name. So how we can do this? So just we have to just move GTSP to the PD, right? So we just cannot move to backwards. So I just have to give the all location. I just give the home, data, and PD, right? So now if I go back, so you can see they have our TSP file. So I just now go to the cd.py. So they have now our file instead of that py, because we already moved that file to the our 3D directory, right? So let's go to our 8 command. So in this command, we can see which is inside of this TSP file, right? We are using the command called cat and g.tsp. So they have our inside test as a set. So that is our 8 command. So let's go to the 9 command. So in the 9 command, we can just search a word inside of this TSP file. So I just use the command name as a grep. Is S is like the S, yeah. TSP file is, like you can see here, it will find the letter, because inside of this GTSP they have a word name called SAT. So I just want to know if it is available, S is available inside of this word. So I can just type here. So I just type like this. I just want to know is SA test is available inside of this TSP. It's like a finding tool, word finder. So I just press enter. So you can see here they have 2 results available. So that is our 9 command. So our final command is a man. So man command we can use as a manual. It's like a man ls. So when we use this type this command with the ls command, so I just have to so it possible. So it will open the manual of the ls. So they have a manual of the ls command. So you can see every command has a manual. So you can go and refer the manual and you can see what happened with that directory. So I just type man pwd. So they have a manual of the pwd, right? That is our final command. So guys, that's all for this video. So subscribe and like the video. See you guys in the next video.